Hi everyone, in this tutorial you will learn the functions of the Text Object Properties panel using Switchmax for application. To begin with, first, you open the Switchmax application. Then we will create a new movie using default. To begin with, click the text tool in the left corner. Then press and drag to draw text box. Then you can type any text you want, but for now we were going to type the title of our presentation. And now you will see the Text Object Properties panel located at the upper right corner. So it is now possible to enter text with different font, size, and color into the same text object. If the object set as the target, you will see that the name you type will be shown in the outline panel. Then if we check the target button, it allows the object to be treated as a script object. Then this button let your object be added to the libraries. Next, the most exciting part, which is formatting our object. In font selection, you can select the font for the currently selected text within the text object. You can choose any font you want, but for now we will choose typewriter. Then the font size selects the size of the font. It can be smaller or bigger, any size you desired. Next, the text color button. It selects the color of the currently selected text within the text object using the color picker. Next, the bold and italic button. It will let your text be bold or italic to emphasize your text. Next, the insert character button. It selects a character from the font map. You can choose any characters available to the selected font. The next thing is a text object type. So a text object can be static, dynamic, or input. But for now, we will stay on static. The next thing is a typeface option. You can use vector font. Vector font, it can be pixel aligned, pixel fonts, or pixel fonts sharp or smooth, or use device font. But you should always bear in mind that the device font can only apply to the whole object and not per character. The next thing is the text flow. It lets you select the direction of the text. It can be from left to right, top to bottom, from top to bottom, right to left, top to bottom, or top to bottom, left to right. Next, the justification. Let's you set the text justification for the text object. The available justification are left. It will align the text to the left side. Center aligns all of the text to the center. Right, full all lines, full all except bottom line. So you can choose any alignment you want. Next, the auto-kerning. The enable margins and indent. The width, set the sizes of the margin for the text object. The indent sets the amount to indent the first line of the text object. Wrap text at word breaks. Wrap lines of text at the end of the text field. The auto size height. The leading. And the variable. Then the other buttons are the use device fonts, text is selectable, password text, multi-line text, black border with white background, character options, So there are a lot of things you should explore by yourself.
Guys, join na.
Next, the edit text dialog. So here you can edit your text. So if we apply some changes to the text in the dialog, it directly be shown in the text object on the stage or in the layout panel. So that's all for now. Thank you and God bless.